All right. This is that one drink you made that one time. Okay, I don't know why we focus on this tacos, but we got a little taco fetish. Nothing wrong with that. I love tacos too. Okay, muddle some jalapeno. Come behind with some mint. Okay, that he just drops in a nice little slow motion. Come behind with some Reposado Tequila. Okay, a little bit of Aperol. All right, I love that in my Boulevardiers instead of the Campari sometimes. A little spicy liqueur coming in there, and then we follow it up with some simple syrup. Okay, fresh squeezed lime juice. All right, beautiful. Guys, and when you make your drinks, always go fresh, all right? A mango puree, always go fresh, man. Fresh stuff always tastes better, okay? Drink-wise, all right? You don't get that artificial, aftertaste in your mouth. Shake. Cute ice cube, and then we strain it. You got to have a sexy ice cube when you make a fancy drink, people. A little bit of mint, drop a jalapeno on top, and there you have it! Tell them the name of the drink, Sacha.
That one drink you made that one time. Bartenders will know.
Yeah, you keep saying that. Is that part of the name too?
Well,
that one drink you made that one time, bartenders will know?
Like girls will come up like, hey, do you remember that one drink you made me that one time? And you're like, oh yeah, sure, let me go back a year and remember.
If you're cute, we remember though, trust me.
That's true,
Big tipper, we remember, okay?
Oh yeah.
There's certain people we remember. We remember cheap dudes that don't tip. We remember dudes who tip big. And we remember if you're hot as hell, okay?
Hey,
Not only I remember your drink, I remember what you're wearing.
Have you ever named a tab like hot girl with like something and then you forgot to change it before you give them the check and they look at you like,
yeah,
really, bro?
Yeah.
That's my life.
Yeah, you've done that. Huge fake boobs.
No, for
what is LA? Is LA? No, this is not yours.
They gotta know where to deliver the stuff.
This was a girl before you, okay? You look natural, but hers were like, they're way too big, okay? This is not you.
Oh, Lord. Anyway.
Okay, back to the drink.
Anyway.
Start trying. Come closer. Were you scared of your own drink?
It's a crowd pleaser, really. That's the idea behind it.
Okay. Tell us how you came up with this. Don't just tell me what you put.
Well, I love tequila, so I mean, in mango, I think they go really well together. Put some serranos in there for some spice. Add some Aperol into it for a little bit of citrus, like sweet orangey flavor as well. It just works. Sky just works.
Okay, I want you to just taste it and tell us what you tasted. Okay.
So you can smell the mint immediately, which is nice.
The thing with mixologists is they have really good palates. Okay, I mean their palates cannot be underestimated. Okay, I have a baby palate. This is a full-grown man's palate he got there.
I mean, this is stupid. Like, it's good. Try it. Are you allergic to mango or something?
No, you're tasting your own drink. Hold on, so that's how you describe taste? This is...
All right, I'm getting notes of alcohol.
So when your mom cooks something for you that you like, you go, this is stupid.
Well, that's how good it is. That's that hood language, apparently. This is dumb.
Okay. Let me think a little, okay? If this was an actor, which actor would this be?
This would be like a Matthew McConaughey. Like,
okay, all right.
Like, even if you're really not into it, you're still gonna watch the movie because it's kind of a hit sort of thing. I don't know. Who asks that question? You put me on the spot.
So I take it you're not a Matthew McConaughey fan.
No, I like him.
Okay.
I mean, have you seen Lincoln Lawyer? It's a good movie.
Anyway, guys, listen here. Go follow Sacha on IG, all right?
Totally sidetracked.
Stay tipsy.